super soakers. Seriously, like, what the heck? You know what? No, I'm done. No, stupid. No, wrong. What the heck, man? Like, who actually uses super soakers? He's so stupid. Nerf, not super. Just what? Who actually uses super soakers? This is so stupid.
Hey! Wanna have a Nerf war?
Dude, what's up? Dude, get up.
Shh, I'm dead.
You're dead.
I'll respawn in 2 seconds.
One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
Not so fast.
You know what? No. Okay, goodbye.